In this video, we're going to focus on how you can trigger the tooltip only on click. As you can see here, I'm hovering right now and it doesn't do anything. But if I click on it, there you are. But once I go away and I click somewhere else, it will disappear only after the click. So as you can click, 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 there you can see. So let's start to explore how to do this. So let's start to explore how to trigger the tooltip on click only in Chart.js. So the first thing what we need to do is of course get our default code, which you can find on chartjs3.com getting started on this specific link, which you can also find in the description link. Scroll down here and then just copy this entire chunk of code. Copy this, and if you want to understand what this code does, make sure you watch this video here, which explains it all. Paste it all in there and then cut it out. Or at least I will cut out the title and then I'll just put it in there. Save this, refresh, there we are. So now by default, Chart.js triggers the tooltip on hover. So how do we adjust that? Well, if we scroll down here, we go into the options. And in the options, basically what we want to do here, we're going to say plugins. And then we're going to pinpoint the tooltip. So we say tooltip. And then in the tooltip, what we want to do now is we want to trigger the event only by on click. So we say events, and then here bracket, and then quotation, and we type in click. By doing this, we will now say that it will only trigger the tooltip on click. So if I refresh now, and now you can see if I hover over it, nothing happens. But if I click on it, there you are, click again, click, click, click. And there, this is basically how you can do this. So if you enjoyed this video and maybe you want to know more about the tooltip, I'm going to recommend you this one here on how to add more information in the tooltip in Chart.js, which will show you a lot of other customizations you can do in the tooltip, which is very interesting as well to understand.